Welcome back to our channel, and today is a great chance to get into the amazing world of Python. In fact, Python is really a versatile and powerful computer programming language that has attained wide acceptance and is used across a variety of domains, which include web development, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Python is famously readable, making it one of the best languages in which one can start off. At the same time, it appeals strongly to power users. The large number of libraries that come with Python, along with its great flexibility, make it the favorite. Python is a high-level language with quite substantial history, having been designed in the late 1980s by the talented Guido van Rossum. From then on until now, it has continuously evolved and grown in fame to become one of the most widely used and highly esteemed programming languages on the face of the planet today. That's it for today's brief introduction to the Python programming language. We sincerely hope you found it informative and somewhat helpful. If you found this video enjoyable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content tailored to your interest. We appreciate your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.